Welcome to the 10th edition of International Yarn and Fabrics and Accessory Sourcing Fair. We have over 150 suppliers of yarn fabrics and garment accessories.
Assalamu alaikum. This is our product, polyester DTY yarn, and it's very famous here.
We are focused on ladies' fashion fabrics.
Our main product is fabric for outwear and sportswear, workwear.
আমাদের এমব্রয়ডারি সেকশনে যত ধরনের থ্রেড এন্ড ইয়ার্ন পাওয়া যায় সবগুলো আমরা এখানে শোকেজ করেছি।
I've been to many exhibitions all around the world, but right here, I see a lot of people with enthusiasm and positive attitudes.
Most of our buyers shifted the orders from China to Bangladesh. So we think Bangladesh have a high potential here, the market.
China and Bangladesh are very good friends.